तो हम फाइनली आ गए। अंदर आते ही वाइन 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 वाइन। अभी क्या वीडियो निकालने देना दे, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा दिखा रहा नहीं हूँ आपको। थोड़ा 2 मिनट थोड़ा रिलैक्स होकर फिर दिखाता हूँ, है ना। 1 मिनट रुक जाओ ना, साथ में है ना। हाँ इधर आओ। So guys, this is my first stall and I would like to ask, sir, your name?
Hi, my name is Shaban.
So, can you like just give a small brief about what it is exactly?
So basically we are India's first brand that is combining plant-based and a healthy snacking brand both together. Our products are all plant-based, dairy-free. They don't have any preservatives in them. They are all free of palm oil and it's a completely healthy snacking brand for you.
So somewhere like people who are health conscious, उनके लिए तो मतलब एक अच्छी बात, काफ़ी अच्छी बात हो गई है,
yeah,
right?
Correct.
ऐसा like have a mindset कि vegan है तो टेस्टी नहीं होगा, but to be honest seriously टेस्ट था। and मैं ऐसे ही बोलूँगा नहीं because मैंने टेस्ट किया and I saw कि yes we have got new varieties and taste like there's a good taste.
So basically we started off as a CSR activity. It's called Transterra, where we've actually trained an entire village in Palghar Vada area for about 8 years now, and everything you see is handcrafted by them. The best part is that it's chemical free, which means whatever you're consuming is good food.
I'm from Quickie Pots. We make handmade ceramics. Our idea is to make ceramics that are not machine made. We want to break away from the monotony of machine made items. So there's somewhere between art भी हो जाए और utility भी हो जाए.
Okay, so ma'am, what like exactly concept बताइए.
So we are a mushroom brand. हम तो अभी do home easy ways to grow mushrooms at home. All you have to do is this is a box. There's a perforation. You cut it open, and then we give you a small spray bottle like that. And then all you have to do is spray water. And within about 10 days, you get mushrooms growing from the kit directly. These are real mushrooms.
In 10 days, just 10 days.
Just 10 days. And these are stars. These are all stores. I'm retailing them for 2,800. These are all made on 100% silk fabric. These are all hand-printed, handmade fabrics. So the flower you see, it is the actual flower. Like this is a marigold flower, just like this.
Hi, my name is Yash. I'm one of the co-founders at Bombay Hemp Company. We're India's premier industrial hemp and medical cannabis company. We work with a range of hemp seed and cannabis leaf-based products. तो हमारे संस्कृति में एक प्लांट है जिसको भांग बोलते हैं. भांग का एक ही नज़रिए से देखते हैं लोग, जो है नशे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. What we are doing is we're making दवाई for things like eczema, arthritis, pain, sleep, insomnia, and a range of other wellness issues.
Nimade, and Nimade is a conscious fashion brand. So all the clothes here are made of organic cotton or plant-based fibers, and these are actually affordable because normally conscious clothing is like very expensive, but these are range between 800 to 2,000. So we're basically having a wide range of fashion accessories ranging from 500 rupees to 2,000 rupees.
500 to 2,000 and we have got quite good varieties.
Yes, we've got a lot of variety in all categories. As you can see, earrings, bracelets, rings and necklaces. And we've got scrunchies, candles, a lot to shop.
So we are Suspire and we're the sustainable empire. So we basically retail and sell online. We sell everything from cosmetics to accessories to apparel and food. And the special part about us is that we're completely vegan and sustainable. And whenever a consumer shops with us, we plant a tree in their name or we plant a coral tile in their name in the Indian Ocean. And we do this with the benefit of 2 NGOs that we are working closely with.
Handmade cosmetics and skincare. Basically, we deal in like glosses and everything.
Right.
We have handmade cosmetics and lip care as well.
Hi, I'm Tia. This is my startup Gaia Aromatherapy, and this is Crystals by Gaia. We sell all organic skincare products, handcrafted and homemade. And using crystals, each crystal has a specific purpose, and I'm here to help you find the right one for you.
Okay, so you said me each crystal has purpose. So
Yes.
can you give me a small brief if I ask about a specific crystal lens?
Of course. So this is opal. I have a tiny opal heart. Opal is amazing for creativity and bringing that out within you. Then we have rose quartz. Rose quartz attracts love in all aspects of your life. We have selenite, which cleanses your aura. We have little earrings of soda light, which helps you speak your truth.
There's a good cause, मतलब कुछ तो अच्छा है for ourselves, and उसमें भी we are getting colors for creativity.
Yes, we are done.
Both together.
Exactly. There's a lot of benefits to this.
So yeah, this is what you call hemp hearts. Basically your hemp seeds without the shell. It's super high in protein and omega. If you're somebody who has chia seeds, flax seeds and all that, hemp seeds have double the protein content of chia and flax put together and almost double the omega content.
We are a healthcare company. We have 35 plus years of experience in healthcare, and we've designed a brand that is formulated, clinically validated, effective supplements. And all of our supplements are international quality.
We are a thrift store. We have all pre-loved clothes, so that's promoting sustainable environment. It's a one-stop shop for all your fashion needs. To be up to date with that, we have bags, we have clothes, we have unisex products, and we have accessories too. And we have almost 10,000 plus followers on Instagram, so you can follow our page, Closet X, and style your wardrobe.
And any like your pricing start from?
It starts from, everything would be below 1,500 rupees, so it's affordable as well.
Everything below 1,500?
Yes, below 1,500.
Yeah, it's Vico. We are a home care and personal care brand. We have a lot of products ranging from toothbrush to floor cleaners and everything. We are 100% bamboo based. All of our products are toxins free, chemical free and 100% environment friendly. So Love Coffee is a love letter from coffee. We are a direct farm to coffee brand, farm to cup, and we believe that everyone should have access to great coffee. So it's freshly roasted, it's made in very small batches, and we try to get the best beans and they are roasted to perfection. Customized board games, card games, poker chips, playing cards, drinking games, couple games, basically everything.
So each and everything we get it customized.
Yeah, you can customize it or you can even pick it up.
Guys, तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा मैं हर एक स्टॉल की इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको एक मिनट निकालता हूँ फोटो पे निकालता हूँ। आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि हर एक स्टॉल की मैं इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ आपको, तो मैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, मैं बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ, बट ठीक है, अच्छा ही काम कर रहा हूँ, सबको इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुँचा दी। हाँ, इतना इंग्लिश बोला है ना आज आधे घंटे में। घर पे जाके मम्मी को बोलूँगा मॉम कहने के क्लास ऑफ वाटर, एंड मम्मी बोलेगी हैं क्या बोल रहा है। तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा, नई नई चीज़ें दिखने मिली, एंड कुछ कोई अगर किसी को कुछ यूनिक चाहिए ना तो आई गेस दिस इज़ द राइट प्लेस। अभी आई डोंट नो फ्यूचर में कैसे कब मिलेगा, बट आपको मैंने दिखा दिया सब लोग सबका क्या है, तो आप अप्रोच कर सकते हो।
द एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली वेरी गुड। वहाँ पे बहुत सारे अंदर स्टार्टअप्स है, बहुत दूर दूर से आए, फ्रॉम इंटरस्टेट, फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, फ्रॉम दिल्ली। So they are coming here, they are selling their items, they are promoting their business. So this is how it goes here, and obviously it is down the Taj, and सबसे अच्छा relevance इधर मिलेगा।
They were having very innovative products like cosmetics and bags and very unique products.
It was a flea market, good to explore, but if I speak it from business point of view, it's not worth it for the brands to not there, because if they set up their stalls and I cannot find a lot of what we say ऑन फुट क्राउड
प्रोडक्टिव नहीं था, ऑन फुट क्राउड नहीं था।
ऑन फुट जो क्राउड था, जो वॉक इन कस्टमर्स, दे वर क्वाइट लेस एंड रेंट ऑफ दिस प्लेसेस क्वाइट हाई। सो
बट आई बिलीव ही इनके इसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू का कहता है कि अभी अभी हम आए तो अभी ये स्टार्ट हुआ है, शाम को ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे एंड हो जाएगा मे बी। चलो लेट्स सी रिधिमा।
Hi guys, contrasting to Abhishek's point of view, I bought a lot of things. I found jewelry, I found handmade, what do you call, rings and ragi chips, and there were a lot of sustainable products. I'm carrying home with me a lot of startup cards that I'm going to buy from. Definitely must visit and do experience this.
फाइनली 300 रुपये का बीड़ा छोड़ के आदित्य 20 रुपये का पानी। वो फाइनली रिधिमा एंड गौरव जा रहे हैं। याद तो नहीं आएगी, मतलब ऐसा कॉलेज में मिलेंगे ना वैसा, है ना। बट गौरव डेफिनेटली मिलते हैं। बाय बाय।
Bye bye.
बाय नहीं बोलोगे क्या? मुझे नहीं। चलो वापिस हम तीन हैं हमारे दुखड़े।
धूप में तो हम जो आए हैं अभी आप लोग
के साथ तो हम खेल के आए भाई।
क्या है क्या?
अब हम तीन वापस जा रहे हैं कहीं तो अपना पेट का वो करने। क्या करना है? इलाज का मरीज है क्या पेट तेरा? तो हम आ गए हैं, जगह का नाम नहीं बताऊंगा। जल्दी कोई आ जाएगा, जल्दी कर। उनको आने ही नहीं दिया, टाइम पे बटन दबा लेते बट हमारा जीत गया। सो गाइस दिस इज द प्लेस जहाँ पे हमारा लंच होने वाला है। बस आपको ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं एंड ऐसी बातें करते हैं, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड गुड फूड। हाँ तो यस, कैसा लग रहा है ब्रो?
बहुत सेक्सी इसका एम्बियंस है, जैसे कि देख सकते हैं।
चलो जाते हैं, बहुत हो गया एम्बियंस। एक झूला में खाना आदित्य जोर जोर से।
नॉर्मल वाटर देना, नॉर्मल वाटर।
रेगुलर वाटर बोलते हैं उसको, नॉर्मल वाटर नहीं बोलते। नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर होता है, वाटर रेगुलर होता है।
कम्युनिकेशन।
तो अभी जो हम एग्जीबिशन में गए थे ताज में, उसकी बात मुझे करनी है बट छोड़ना है। भूख भी लगी है, भूख भी लगी है, बात भी करनी है, कितना कुछ करना है लाइफ में।
इधर नहीं, स्ट्रीट फूड
हम वहाँ बैठे थे लेकिन हम यहाँ आ गए बिकॉज इस जनाब को मैच देखनी थी, मेरे को वहाँ से दिख रही थी बट ठीक है। अब बैक टू घर पे अपने अपने, तो यहीं से बाय।